I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at Stock Market Mentor on Thursday, September 6th. First of all, before we get into Biogen, I just want to give you the heads up. We are going to be, finally, after all this time, we are going to be releasing Option Market Mentor for new members a couple weeks from now. I believe the rollout starts on the 18th of the month, which is a Tuesday or perhaps later on in the week. But that's the week where we're rolling this thing out for new members. So if you have not done so already, just go over to optionmarketmentor.com, just like Stock Market Mentor, only option, optionmarketmentor.com, and sign up to get on the free email list, and that way you'll get all the latest news. We've been working on this for quite a while. We're still tweaking it, but I'm confident that you're going to learn a heck of a lot about options and make some money too. If you sign up, there'll be a risk-free trial, so there's no downside for you. It's like a riskless trade. How can you lose? So I want you to go do that, okay? Now, back to Biogen. This stock fits my squeeze conditions, which is why I've been featuring it the last few days. But I have over at in the strategy session about 16 squeezes that really fit this this category. So I want you members to look at that. Here, what happened? First of all, Biogen was trading sideways. We saw this. This was resistance. You know, this resistance actually held up. It didn't fail. We got a breakout, and then boom, the next day it started to move lower. So we had bounces along the 50-day moving average. Hadn't touched the lower Bollinger Band for how long? Back here. So this was, excuse me, this was trading in the upper part of the range. What happens? High volume, breakout today. This is what we've been expecting. And by the way, if you've been holding this stock waiting for this breakout, you know, don't take profits now because it's up, you know, 3 3/4%. This is what you've been waiting for. You've been waiting for this move to start. And why are we interested in volatility squeezes? Because they tend to go farther and faster than people think they do. This breakout here is much different than this breakout here. Here, the stock had to traverse the entire Bollinger Band width, and they weren't particularly narrow. And then when it finally broke out, then that was the end of it. Boom. They're selling. Similarly here, you know, if you're trading this breakout to here, fine, you make some money, but over the next few days it peters out and then trades sideways. This is different. While I don't expect it to go up in a straight line, I definitely think this has more upside to it. So my suggestion would be just to stay along this stock, and depending on how it works, I'll either continue to feature it here or we'll move on. So anyway, that's it here. Again, if you haven't signed up for the email list so you can get all the information on optionmarketmentor.com, go over there and do that now, okay? Thanks a lot. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, and I'll see you next time.